What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to unbox a beautiful boat. Now this is from the Joysway. Now let's unbox it. Well, it is hard to unbox. It's a sailboat. Look at it. It's called the Discovery. Now it's a RTR boat. Now here is the menus. Oh, this is the transmitters. Just like the gimbs stick. The gimp sticks. Wow. Wow. Look at it. Now the boat is about 65 centimeters long, and with a minute. Plastic. Wow, this is so heavy. Wow, so beautiful. So heavy. All metals to district at the bottom of the boat to keep balance. Wow, all metals so heavy. I think this may be heavier than 1 kilogram. Let's unbox. Wow, this is some tools here. You can see some white wires. Wow. Look at it. So beautiful, isn't it? Discovery Treasure Island. Let's see. Sailboat. Maybe that's all about the unboxing. Wait a minute. No, there's something at the bottom of the form. Wow, look at it. Lot of wow, a lot of tubes. Next, I will read the menus to assemble the sailboat. After for long time assembling, I finished it. Now let's see it. This is a big boat. Look at the discoveries. The hull is about 65 centimeters long, and the total tall is about 1.2 meters. Now let's look at this. Now this ballast is about 500 grams weight. Look at it. The rudders. It uses the 4 AA batteries. Now this is the steering servos. You should put a lot of nylon wires through it and control the jib seal and the main seal. Now this is the transmitters. It just has 2 symbols. Now this to control the rudders left and right. Now this control the seals. I will show you. Turn on the, and this to put it in is on. Let's see first the rudders, left, right. Now let's see the seal. Straight. Straight seals. Now you can see the seals. The biggest angles is about 80 to 90 degrees, and the jib seals, look at it, it's about 90 to 100 degrees. It's okay, just as the menu said it. Left, right. Look at the angles. Small. Beautiful sailboat. Discoveries. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.